Hi guys, welcome back. I have another unplanned impromptu video for you today. Is this upside down? Yes, it is. I have a new hair tool. I'm so excited. You might remember that I sold my Dyson Airwrap a while ago and I wasn't at all interested in these type of like air styling tools ever since. But the time has come. There are certain occasions and days when I feel like I would benefit from a tool like this. And also, we have come a long way. Like there are so many brands out there on the market, so many new devices. And finally, one of them is also dual voltage. You guys, that was like the main drawback that I had with the Dyson products in general. Like I had to leave my blow dryer back in Europe. I also sold my Airwrap. Like it wasn't actually working for me, so that's why I sold it. But like even if it did, I wouldn't be able to use it here in the States, and like vice versa. So I hated that. Like when I learned that I cannot travel with my Dyson product, I thought that was really dumb, honestly. Like what the hell, like everyone travels nowadays. So when I saw that there's finally an Airwrap type of product, like an air styler that's dual voltage, I had to grab it. And also it was on sale. I think it was like actually like pretty fairly priced compared to other like air stylers, which are all quite expensive. So without further ado, let's open it up. I need to get ready. I'm in a rush actually. So this is like perfect time to try this out and see how fast I'm going to be able to style my hair. Also how well it works. So I'll just do like a quick little unboxing. It comes in a box. You saw the little wrapping. Then it comes with a travel bag. I saw this from the picture. Did I say this is Babyliss? So this is BaBylissPRO, something like Switch, multi-styler, the style Switch it's called. So it comes with a travel bag, which is pretty cute. I like this bag. I initially was like so obsessed with the Dyson Airwrap box, but it's very bulky and big and clunky. And if you don't have enough like counter space, it's honestly useless. So this is nice because this is just like a travel case. You don't have to use this at home. Let's open it up. So there is like whatever manual, something. Not here's the manual. You guys, I need to speed through this, so I hope you don't mind. This is not like a super detailed unboxing. So here it is. These are the attachments. I'll show you all the attachments that we're gonna do because that's very important. I think this one is for like wavy and straight hair, and I think they also have one for curly hair with like a diffuser. This one has blow dryer attachment, 2 brushes, so it has like a paddle brush. Let's quickly just open them. Okay, so this is the paddle brush. It looks very nice. And it also doesn't like turn like the Dyson one did. I don't know if they changed design. I had one of the first Dyson Airwraps. Then it has also a round brush. Okay, this feels amazing. This feels really good. Very heavy, and I think this is like ceramic. The Dyson one is plastic, and this one feels a lot better. So this already, I feel like I'm gonna like compared to the Dyson one. And then here are the curling barrels, and I saw that these are 1.5 inch barrels, which is a little bigger. So I'm not sure how is this going to work for my hair. Like I have fine hair. Also my hair is pretty long at the moment, so we'll see how well this is going to curl. But I think this is supposed to give you like a blowout style, not necessarily curls, which is exactly why I wanted this tool. I really like bouncy blowouts, and I cannot do them like with a blow dryer and a brush. My hair is too long, too heavy. It has become very difficult for me to give myself a blowout. So I think this is going to solve all my problems. The main thing that I did not like about Dyson Airwrap and in general Dyson products is the airflow. I do not like Dyson airflow, but it just like makes my hair feel like straw. I don't like the airflow. I think it's like way too strong and the heat is not strong enough, so I don't like that combo. And I am obsessed. Like I'm a die-hard fan and like faithful consumer of BaBylissPRO. All of my hair tools are BaBylissPRO. So my blow dryer, my straightener, my curling iron, and what else? I think that's it. But yeah, all my hair products are BaBylissPRO, and I don't know, they never failed me, so I feel like I'm going to like this. So this is the styler very similar. Like I said, it's like nowadays these are all similar. Let's remove the foil. Here are the buttons. It has 3 settings for the heat and the airflow, and it has cold air button here, which it has a pause button as well. Oh, so you can pause probably when you like release the curls, because on and off switch is like a sliding switch, so that's interesting. Anyways, I'll see, like I'll probably get into like the routine when I start using it. And there is another attachment. Yes, there is the blow dryer attachment, which I'm going to use to rough dry my hair before I start styling it with the barrels. And I'm going to use the round brush for my bangs, that's for sure. You also get some hair clips. These are super cute, love these, the ones that don't crease your hair. And you get a very nice section comb. So I think this is also very neat and cool from Babyliss to include in this kit. All right, you guys, I'm gonna apply my heat protectants, my combo. I use Olaplex on the roots and Lolavi fast blow drying heat protectant spray all over my hair. And we're gonna get to styling. I'm not gonna be able to talk to you guys because this is loud. I think these devices are all pretty loud. So you're gonna watch me, I'm gonna style my hair, and then I'll give you guys the verdict at the end of the video. All right, you guys, here it is. This is the final result. I've just pinned the curls a little bit. This one here was a fail. It's like, this one did not curl at all. I think I didn't keep it long enough, but the rest is pretty good. I love how hot this tool gets. I was super quick and I rushed through my hair because, like I said, this is the final look. I love it. I absolutely missed this type of like super bouncy, soft blowout. I'm definitely going to be playing around with this hair tool and give you guys some tips and tricks along the way. But so far, I really, really like it. I need to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little demo and unboxing, and I will see you all in the next one.